Today I'm showing you my Christmas family photo that was made all on Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad. For the last few years, we've developed a bit of a family Christmas tradition where we take a Christmas photo. It used to be a Christmas card, but now really it's just shared on social media, and we're trying to make it a bit creative, a bit quirky, and hopefully a wee bit funny. And here is this year's photo. I think you'll agree, it's a bit different, it's a bit creative, and hopefully you find it a bit funny. These photos are always a lot of fun. It's really good fun coming up with an idea. It's really good fun on the day, taking the photos, and then for me, editing it on the iPad in Affinity Photo 2. It's brilliant. I really enjoy it, and I've had a few late nights, hence the late video coming out on Christmas Eve. And because it is Christmas Eve, this is just going to be a very short video. Maybe in the next video, I'll do a bit of a breakdown and I'll show you a bit of before and after and stuff like that. But for this video, I just wanted to wish everyone watching, you and your family, a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This is my first Christmas on YouTube, so I just wanted to mark the occasion by showing you our Christmas family photo and wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. Hope you have great fun today. Hope all the shopping's done. It would need to be by the time this video comes out. And I hope you have a great day, whether you spend it with friends and family and whatever you do. And I'm maybe going to take a week or two off now between Christmas and New Year's. And I hope you have plans and goals for 2023. I have tons of goals. I have tons of plans. As for this channel, God willing, there's going to be lots of videos coming out next year. Of course, in Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad. Hopefully dipping into Affinity Publisher 2. And there's lots more other stuff, which I'm not going to tell you about, but I'm very, very excited. So from my family to yours, I hope you have a great Christmas. I hope you have a great New Year's. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video, and I'll see you next year.